In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off the Instagram Take a Break feature. So open up the Instagram app on your phone, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right, tap on the hamburger menu in the top right, tap on your activity, tap on the top option which is time spent. If I long press on the days, I will see the amount of time that I have spent on the app. As you can see, my activity isn't too bad, but if you are more on the higher scale of spending too much time on Instagram, you'll want to select the option of set a reminder to take breaks. So go in here and now you can set a timer. So you can choose 30 minutes, 20 minutes or 10 minutes, or keep it completely switched off and then hit done when you're finished. If you want to see more tutorial videos like this, then I do have an Instagram tutorial playlist if you want to check that out. Thank you for watching. Until next time. Peace.